Valley area's certified most accurate forecast. Your weather on the fives with meteorologist Jordan Lamons.
Welcome back. It's 5:45. We are now under a winter storm warning. I know we had the snow from yesterday. That's pretty much done and out of here. And now this will arrive again later tonight. So covering northeast Wisconsin starting at 9 o'clock for the central Wisconsin area and about midnight for much of the heart of the area, Green Bay and the Fox Cities and beyond. Now here's your Storm Team 5 Skyview Network presented by Pella Windows and Doors. Manitowoc, pretty quiet, overcast skies and 22. And you see, those are some of the warmest readings we're getting in here. So from Kewaunee at the pier there, down through Manitowoc, Sheboygan, and the area that way. Otherwise, Green Bay around 21, and then some upper teens everywhere else. Antigo, a single digit there. Here's your hour-by-hour wind speed. So not so breezy as we start, but going through the second half of the day, as this next area of low pressure approaches, we could have some winds anywhere from 10 to as high as 20 miles per hour, and this will even pick up going into tomorrow. But for today, mainly dry. We're going to have cloudy skies out there. Can't rule out that possibility for some drizzle or some flurries, maybe some freezing drizzle there, but it's not going to amount to a whole lot. Again, upper 20s to right around 30 degrees will be the high temperatures. Here's a current radar network. We're showing increasing cloud cover out there. Don't expect to see a whole lot of sunshine today as we have more and more moisture pushing in right out ahead of this area of low pressure. There it is. That's going to be the focus for the next, let's say, even 48 hours time as this next winter storm comes our direction. Now, the track of it's going to be just to the south of Wisconsin, and we know just based on history here that track is putting us right into the snow bullseye, if you will. Here's about midnight tonight, the snow starting across the Badger State. It will get heavy at times right through the morning hours going into about midday. And then finally by the evening on Tuesday going into Wednesday morning, this is when it tracks out of here and begins to taper off. Right here on Futurecast, let's show you what you can expect. Here's 2 o'clock this afternoon, cloudy skies. Again, there could be some light precipitation. That will be pushing in off of Lake Michigan there. So by the evening tonight, could be some flurries or drizzle possible. Now, this is when the heavy snow will begin. Here's midnight tonight. Already starting to work in, let's say, to the far southwestern corner of the area, beginning to overspread overnight tonight. And by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, well, we're dealing with moderate to heavy snowfall, reduced visibility for that morning commute, and we could already have many, many inches on the ground by about midday. Here's 11 o'clock at night, that snow beginning to taper off on Tuesday, and for sure by Wednesday morning, that'll be out of here. Now, in terms of snow totals, let's break it down hour by hour. Here's daybreak tomorrow. As we wake up, well, there could be several of inches of snow on the ground favoring central Wisconsin for the highest of those totals. Eventually, that does spread overhead. Here's noon. So as we're sitting at work, it's going to be piling up on your sidewalks and driveways. We're already over a half a foot in many, many spots. And then through the afternoon Tuesday going into the evening of Tuesday, well, we could just throw in a couple more inches here. So 6 to 11 will be the overall snow guess here for us. And you can see there could be some locally higher spots that push close to a foot. Now, for tomorrow, that morning commute, expect low visibility with heavy snow blowing and drifting and some snowy roads. In the evening, it's going to be a lighter brand of snow, but still breezy out there, which could lead to some additional blowing and drifting. For today, however, mainly dry, cloudy and breezy with highs around 29. For tonight, some freezing drizzle will eventually give way to some heavy snow late and a low down to 24. Here's your 7-day now. So windy weather for tomorrow and heavy snow. We take a break, a temporary break Wednesday with breezy winds in 26. Another system arrives Thursday night going into Friday, and then we quiet down ahead for next weekend, Saturday and Sunday.